Hello, let us start solving projection of line problem. Let us read this problem first. Line AB 65 mm long has its end A 20 mm above HP and 25 mm in front of VP. The end B is 40 mm above HP and 65 mm in front of VP. Draw the projections of AB and show its inclinations with HP and VP. So in this problem, what is given if that question is asked, then we have been given first A dash, then A, then B, then B dash is given, and then B is given. Also true length is given. So this is given data. If I ask what is asked, okay, then actual final projection is asked, final projection of line, then theta is asked and phi is asked. So these two quantities are asked. So actually it's not required to write given data, but you have to draw or show actual data. So let us start with the solution. Initially I have to draw XY line. Let's say 150 mm line is more than sufficient. Then annotate it with X and Y using annotate command. Now let us draw the locus of A dash, B and B dash using offset command. Using offset command, let's say A dash is 20 mm above HP, A is 25 mm in front of VP, B dash is 40 mm above HP and B is 65 mm in front of VP. So in one go, slightly move it so that it is visible within the screen. In one go, let us write locus of A dash. Labeling is important, otherwise afterwards it becomes really confusing what actually we have done, to understand what actually we have done. So I'll just copy paste the labels. Now in such problems it's very important to locate one of the endpoints of line. Let us locate A dash using team command. Let us delete additional portion of the line, and once A dash is defined as shown here, A will also be defined. Now I have A dash, I have A. Now I need to understand where is location of B dash and B. As true length is given, let us make use of true length using arc command. Center start end is the arc command. True length is 65 mm. Here I'm for temporarily I'm using disabling ortho mode. So 65 mm is true length of a line. And if I hold control key, then basically if I hold control key, this arc will be drawn in clockwise direction. If I remove control key, then arc will be normal arc in anti-clockwise direction. So now here, once I use true length of a line, I have got point B1 dash. Now whenever I'm doing this, let us understand, if I get point B1 dash, plan of it basically gives me plan length. Plan of true length basically gives me plan length, and in top view I can use this plan length to get location of point B dash. Once again I will use arc, and then here I need clockwise arc, so I will once again disable ortho mode for a moment, then I will click control button and then I will draw the arc. So here basically I have got point B. Once I get location of point B, automatically on its projector I will also get location of B dash. So here I have actually got A dash and B dash. I have actually got A and B. So let me finish actual projections which are asked as one part of the problem. Now as these are actual projections, let me increase their thickness. I have changed the thickness using properties of the line, but unless and until I show their line weight, it will not be visible. So I have clicked on this show hide line weight button and now it's visible. Still in this problem there is one more question which is asked: show inclination with HP and PP. Once again I will use center start end arc. I will use 65 mm arc, and once again using hold key I will draw the arc using control holding key, and now I have got point B2, and here basically I have connected two length. So now whatever is given quantity I have drawn it. Now whatever is asked quantity I have also shown theta and phi. So now I have to show what are the given quantities also in order to complete the problem. Actually this should be done whenever we are drawing it, but generally in AutoCAD we do it at the end, so that initially we don't have any idea how that problem is going to flow. That's why we may do it afterwards also. Now using continue command I will give all the dimensions. But here let us understand there is some additional portion which is shown, so I just remove additional portion so that my problem looks like my problem basically fits into given space. So once again let me move complete notations to the left, and this is my solution. Thank you.